Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide how to create a password reset disk, USB drive, in Windows. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Creating a password reset disk, USB drive, in Windows is a proactive way to ensure you can regain access to your account if you forget your password. Here's a clear, step-by-step guide to walk you through the process. Note: this is for Windows local accounts, offline accounts, not Microsoft accounts, online accounts. Open Control Panel, press Windows key +R, type Control, and press Enter. Click User Accounts twice from the options. Insert USB drive. Connect a USB flash drive to store the password reset information. Use a dedicated USB drive for security. Ensure the drive is recognized by Windows. Launch Password Reset Wizard. In User Accounts, select Create a Password Reset Disk. This option is only available for local accounts. Ensure you are logged in with the account you want to protect. Follow wizard instructions. The wizard will guide you through creating the reset disk. Select your USB drive from the list. Enter your current account password. When prompted, wait for the process to complete. Remember, you only need to create it once per account unless you change your password. Here's how you can reset your Windows local account password using a password reset disk, USB drive. This method only works if you previously created the disk for that account. Insert the password reset disk. Plug the USB drive, the reset disk, into your computer. Go to the sign-in screen. Enter any password, even if incorrect. When Windows says the password is wrong, select Reset Password. Password Reset Wizard. The wizard will detect your USB reset disk. Click Next to proceed. Create a new password. Enter a new password and confirm it. Add a password hint if desired. Click Next, then Finish. You can now log in with the new password. Notes: the disk works only for the account it was created for. You can use the same disk multiple times. It doesn't expire. If you didn't create a disk earlier, you'll need other methods. This disk acts as a recovery tool for your local Windows account. It won't work for Microsoft accounts, those linked to email login, which require online recovery. For maximum safety, keep the USB drive in a secure place. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.